Indeterminate tomatoes form the backbone of commercial polyhouse farming across the world. Unlike short-duration determinate varieties, these tomatoes grow continuously and allow harvesting over many months. In this episode, we explain how indeterminate tomato hybrids can be cultivated professionally in grow bags under polyhouse conditions to achieve consistent yields, uniform fruit quality, and long-term profitability. Indeterminate tomatoes are characterized by continuous vegetative growth. The growing tip does not end in a flower cluster, allowing the plant to keep producing new leaves, flowers, and fruit trusses simultaneously. This biological trait makes indeterminate tomatoes ideal for vertical training and long-duration production systems under protected cultivation. Because indeterminate tomatoes grow for extended periods, they are highly sensitive to climate fluctuations. Polyhouse structures protect the crop from excess rain, wind, and temperature extremes. Controlled environments improve pollination, reduce disease pressure, and support stable fruit set across multiple harvest cycles. Grow bags isolate the root zone from soil-borne diseases and provide uniform moisture and aeration. In long-duration crops like indeterminate tomato, root health directly determines crop longevity. Grow bag systems enable precise fertigation, predictable nutrient uptake, and easier sanitation between crop cycles. Under polyhouse conditions, indeterminate tomatoes simultaneously undergo vegetative growth, flowering, and fruit development. This overlapping growth requires careful management to balance canopy growth with fruit load. Poor pruning or excess nitrogen can result in excessive foliage and reduced fruit quality. Indeterminate tomatoes perform best at daytime temperatures between 22 and 28 degrees Celsius and night temperatures between 16 and 20 degrees. Relative humidity should be maintained between 60 and 75%. Temperatures above 32 degrees reduce pollen viability, while high humidity encourages fungal diseases. Stable conditions are more important than perfect numbers. For polyhouse cultivation, only indeterminate tomato hybrids, bred specifically for protected environments, should be used. These hybrids are selected for continuous growth, balanced internode length, uniform fruit size, strong shelf life, and resistance to major diseases such as tilth, fusarium wilt, and nematodes. Widely used indeterminate tomato hybrids for polyhouse include Arbinov, known for stable performance under polyhouse conditions, uniform round fruits, and good shelf life. Arka Rukshak, popular for disease tolerance, medium-large fruits, and suitability for long-duration crops. Sakura, valued for consistent fruit quality, high market acceptance, and extended harvesting. NS 4266, performs well in grow bag systems with good fruit firmness and uniform sizing. Himsona, known for strong vigor, tolerance to stress, and suitability for protected cultivation. When selecting a hybrid, growers should prioritize disease resistance, fruit uniformity, and market preference over maximum yield claims. Variety choice must align with local climate conditions, crop duration goals, and buyer requirements. Seedlings are raised in sterile plug trays using cocoa peat or similar soilless media. Transplanting is done at the 4 to 5 true leaf stage, around 25 to 30 days after sowing. Uniform seedlings ensure synchronized growth and simplify later training, pruning, and fertigation management. Grow bags typically contain a mix of cocoa peat, perlite, and vermiculite. This medium balances moisture retention with drainage and aeration. Each bag supports one plant, arranged in paired rows. Proper layout ensures airflow, worker movement, and efficient harvesting throughout the crop cycle. Plants are spaced 40 to 50 centimeters apart with row spacing of 90 to 120 centimeters. Vertical training using trellis wires and nylon strings allows efficient space utilization. Side shoots are removed weekly, and older leaves are pruned gradually. Proper training ensures light penetration, reduces disease pressure, and maintains fruit size consistency. Indeterminate tomatoes are heavy feeders. During vegetative growth, EC is maintained between 1.8 and 2.2. During flowering and fruiting, EC is increased to 2.5 to 3.5. Potassium supports fruit development, calcium prevents blossom end rot, and balanced nitrogen prevents excessive vegetative growth. Fertigation is applied daily in split doses. Frequent, low-volume irrigation maintains consistent root moisture. Sudden changes in water supply can cause fruit cracking and physiological disorders. Irrigation decisions should be based on plant stage, climate, and drainage observations rather than fixed schedules. Whiteflies, thrips, mites, and leaf miners are common pests in polyhouse tomatoes. Diseases such as powdery mildew and botrytis thrive under high humidity. Integrated pest management focuses on prevention through insect-proof nets, scouting, biological controls, and climate regulation rather than routine chemical spraying. Harvesting begins 60 to 75 days after transplanting. Fruits are harvested at breaker or vine-ripe stage depending on market requirements. Regular harvesting encourages continued flowering. Under good management, indeterminate tomatoes remain productive for 8 to 10 months. Well-managed polyhouse systems can produce 20 to 30 kilograms of tomatoes per square meter over the crop cycle. Profitability depends on consistent quality, labor efficiency, and stable market access rather than just peak yield. Indeterminate tomatoes offer one of the best returns in protected cultivation when managed professionally. Indeterminate tomato cultivation in grow bags under polyhouse conditions combines plant biology, climate control, and precision management. When executed correctly, it delivers long harvest windows, high cumulative yields, and predictable income. At Seechur Agro, we focus on practical, science-driven protected cultivation systems that help growers build sustainable and profitable operations. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you in the next episode.